Yeah. Look at the pretty ducks, Lo. Look at the pretty ducks.
Mommy, guess what?
What?
I go fart 3 times now.
You farted? Say peace. How many times did you poop? 3 times? Ew. Ooh, Dad missed another one. Yep, throw it a little farther, Dallas. Oh, it's a rat, boy.
Oh, Mike, do you have one?
There you go.
Not no more. Not no more.
I do the catch and release.
Yeah, not on purpose.
Yeah, intentional. I like feeding this yellow marshmallow.
Oh my God. Daddy, see fishy. You see him? Oh, you trying to catch him?
Oh, got yanked, boy. Oh, it took you back.
They're so smart, Mama.
They are smart. That's why they get so big. We'll see what Jack's doing. Say hi, Mr. Wolf.
Wait.
Oh, dang. Look, as soon as I walk away. Woohoo.
Alright, Lola, here.
You got to put it in the bucket.
You can let him go since you
Are you not going to keep it?
No, I'll let this one go. It's the first one of the year. Here, look, show the phone. Hey, look what I got.
Casey.
Look over. Jeez.
Oh,
Alright. Oh. Bye-bye.
where you went? Wash your hands off, honey.
Wash your hands. We'll do it right here. Don't do that, Lord. It's cold, honey.
Wow, I got it.
Oh, threw it over and got hung up. Oh.
He found a way to get hung
Mr.
up.
Jack hung up Jenkins.
I won't go.